Welcome back to my channel, my lovely people, my lovely subscribers. Okay, today we have an amazing geometry question to solve, and in this particular question, this is not drawn to scale, please, and this is a semicircle. From A to D is 7, from D to C is X, and from C to B is 20, while the diameter of the semicircle is 25. Now the question says that we should find the value of x. Now, first of all, the first thing you will notice from here is that this is a semicircle, okay? And there is this law that states that in a semicircle, in fact, in a circle of center 0, okay? In a circle of center 0, if this is the diameter, any angle subtended by this diameter on the circumference is 90 degrees. Okay? So if we relate this, to what we have here, if we join A to C, this is supposed to be a straight line. It simply means that angle C is 90 degrees. Now, if angle C is 90 degrees, we can find AC, right? Using the Pythagorean theorem. So in triangle ACB, okay? In triangle ACB, then AC squared plus CB squared should be equal to AB squared. So we have AC squared plus CB squared is equal to AB squared. So AC squared is what we are looking for, but CB is 20 and AB is 25. So we have AC squared, okay, should be equal to AB squared minus CB squared. So we have AC squared is equal to AB is what? 25. So we have 25 squared minus CB is 20. So we have 20 squared. Now remember that A squared minus B squared is equal to A plus B multiplied by A minus B. So because we don't have calculator, we can simplify this further as AC squared is equal to 25 plus 20 multiplied by 25 minus 20. So AC squared will be equal to 25 plus 20 is 45. And 25 minus 20 is 5. So AC squared then will be equal to 5 times 4 is 25, carry 2. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. So to get AC, we need square root of 225. Alright? So AC is equal to 15. Right? So we can write that here, that AC is 15. Alright, so write 15 here. Now similarly, if we join D to B, okay, so let's join D to B. Now you can also tell that angle D is also 90 degrees using the same theorem, right? So it's also, that means that in triangle ADB, since this is smaller, let me enlarge it more, okay? Let me zoom this out more. Okay. So in triangle ADB, okay, now we can see that AD squared plus DB squared should be equal to AB squared. Okay, so let's write that. AD squared plus db squared is equal to ab squared. So, and we are looking for the value of db, okay? So let's make db the subject of the formula. That means db squared is equal to ab squared, and this will cross to become minus ad squared. So db squared will be equal to, AB is 25, so we have 25 squared, and AD, this is our AD is 7, so minus 7 squared. So DB squared is equal to 25 minus 7 multiplied by 25 plus 7. DB squared is equal to 25 minus 7 is 18, and 25 plus 7 is 32. Yeah. So we have db squared is equal to 18 times 32 will give us, let's solve it. 18 times 32, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24, carry 2, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So we have 576, okay? So db squared is equal to 576. Therefore, our db is equal to square root of 576. That means db square root of 576 is 24. Okay, all right. So that means that we have AC as 24. What am I doing? DB is 24, sorry. AC is 15. All right. Now, why am I looking for this? We are going to make use of a very lovely theorem to solve this. Now, using Ptolemy's theorem, what does this theorem state? It states that in a circle, if you inscribe a quadrilateral in a circle, okay, it states that if this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, and you join their diagonals as well. The diagonals, the product of the diagonals, that is AC multiplied by DB, will be equal to AB multiplied by DC plus AD multiplied by BC. Okay, so we are going to consider that here. Now, our AC is equal to what? CAC here. AC is 15. Okay, I hope I'm correct. Yeah, AC is 15. Okay, so we have 15 multiplied by DB. DB is 24. Okay, you can see that DB is 24. So multiplied by 24 is equal to AB is 25. AB is 25 multiplied by DC is X. That is what we are looking for. Plus AD is 7. AD is 7 multiplied by BC. This BC, okay? So BC is 20. Okay, so if we solve further, we have 15 times 24 is 360. Okay, is equal to 25x plus 140. So subtract 140 from both sides. We have 360 minus 140 is equal to 25x. So we have 220 is equal to 25x. So if we divide both sides, by 25. We have 220 divided by 25. Excuse me. Okay, let's continue. That was my son. Okay, so 220 divided by 25 is equal to 25x divided by 25. So 25, we cancel 25, and when 25 divides this, okay, let's go with 5 first. 5 divided 25 is 5. 5 divides 22 is 4. 4 remainder. 2 divides 20 is 4 again. So we have 44 over 5 is equal to x. If we reduce this more, we will have 44 divided by 5 is 8.8, right? Is equal to x. And that is our answer. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.